Alright, what's up guys? Hello and Sawadee Krab. We're here in Bangkok, or northeastern side of Bangkok, and we are at an airplane graveyard. So we can check this place out here with my buddy Brett, and we'll see what happens. Inside this plane, one of the ladies that lives here came over here and told me that we could go up, and there's a ladder to get up into the second level of this. Okay. Anthony's coming up. Captain's on the deck. Oh. That is tiny. Yeah, that's our people. Little hidey holes. Look how small that is. basically there's a family that lives here on the land. They're right out front by the gate if you come by, and they basically charge you 200 baht per person to come in, and it's one of their little mainstays, how they're making some of their money. But it works out. It looks like they take care of the inside of the plane somewhat. They don't get too dirty, and we have to come around, see some good planes, see some good art drawn on the planes, or graffiti, whichever way you look at it. And it's not a bad place. It's not a huge tourist spot. There's not a bunch of food stalls out front, not a bunch of taxis waiting. It's definitely out of the way if you want to come for the photos, to check it out. It's a nice little place. Good little feel for nature. The grass is pretty tall back here, and can't complain. So yeah. So ends our airplane tour. Definitely worth the money. Good place to come visit. We're only here for 40 minutes maybe. Got to see about everything. If you happen to be on this side of Bangkok, check it out. I'll try to put a link to where we're at in the description. And like us, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram. Alright, have a good one. Khop khun krap.